Hello everyone, this video lesson is about simple, ordinary, and exact interest. So we have two types of interest. The first is ordinary interest, where we assume that there are 360 days in a year. This interest is also used by default if there is no specific interest mentioned in the problem. So next we have the exact interest, where we use the exact days in a year, which is 365 days. So we will be only using the exact interest if it is mentioned in the problem. The keywords are actual and exact. And we will be using ordinary interest if there is no specific interest mentioned in the problem. So now here are the formulas used in ordinary and exact interest. So simple interest is equals to principal amount, rate, and time. So the formula in time here is used as number of days in the loans period divided by 360 in ordinary interest and 365 days in exact interest. So on our first example, we need to find the ordinary interest paid on a 50,000 peso loan at 12% interest rate for 300 days. So first we have to define the given values in the problem. So for the principal amount, we have 50,000 PHP. Next is the rate, which is 12%, and we still need to convert this into a decimal. First is we have to move the decimal into two decimal places in the left. So it would be 0.12 there. So it would be 0.12 here. And for the time, we have 300 days. So remember our formula, which is simple interest is equal to principal amount multiplied by rate and multiplied by time. So now let's try and solve the problem. So simple interest is equals to the principal amount, which is 50,000 multiplied by 0.12, which is the percentage, and multiplied by 300 divided by 360 because we are using ordinary interest. You can use your calculator in this problem to make it easy for you to solve the given problem. Now that we have solved the problem, our simple interest is 5,000 pesos. So this is the final answer. So on the second problem, we should calculate the exact interest given the principal amount, which is 750,000, interest rate of 6% for 280 days. So we should first define the given values on the problem. So the principal amount is equal to 750,000, and the interest rate is equal to 6%, so we would move it into two decimal places in the left, and the days or the time is 280 days. Now let's try to solve it. Simple interest is equal to the principal amount, which is 750,000, multiplied by 0.06, which is the rate, and then multiplied by 280 days, which is the time, divided by 365 days, which is the exact interest. Now, let's try to solve it. So now, the final answer is 3,452. That is our simple interest, 0.55. Because we would only be using 2 decimal places in our final answers. So on this next problem, it would involve both exact and ordinary interest. So we would find the difference between the exact and ordinary interest. So Jewel borrowed 2,500 pesos for 540 days at 10% interest rate. Find how much the difference between the exact and ordinary interest is. So first, we need to define the given. So the principal amount that is given here is 2,500 pesos. Next is the rate, which is 10%, but we would convert it into decimal, which would be 0.10. And the next is we would find what is the time. So the time is 540 days. So let's try to solve it. So simple interest is equals to the principal amount, which is 2,500, multiplied by 0.10, which is the percentage, multiplied by the time, which is 540, divided by 364, ordinary interest. For the exact interest, it would be following the same format, but our days would be 365 and time. So 540 divided by 365. So we would try to solve. So upon finding the simple interest of both the ordinary and exact interest, we would subtract it. So it would be 375 minus 369.86. So our final answer would be 5.14. That is now the difference of the exact and ordinary interest in this problem. So I hope you guys learned a lot on this lesson, and just return to the problems and try to solve it yourself. And you may also use this video as a guide to solve the problems. Thank you for watching and have a great day.